Hi, let's solve next question of tree. So it was asked in 2011. So it is a 2 mark question. So let's read the question. We are given a set of n distinct element and an unlabeled binary tree with n node. So in how many way can we populate the tree with a given set so that it become a binary search tree? So it is asking in how many way we can arrange that n node that it will be a binary search tree. So there is only one way. So because in case of binary search tree, the value less than the root will go to left side, the value greater than the parent will go to the right side. And the first node will be the root. Then every node it will check whether it is less than the root or greater than the root. So every left child is less than its parent and every right child is more than its parent. So there will be just one way. So here answer will be B1. So here one option is given D and I discuss about this. But what is that? We can populate 2ncn um, uh, 2ncn by n plus 1 number of binary tree. But here it is asking number of binary search tree. So whenever number of binary search tree it will be 1, but when if you need to populate in binary tree, number of binary tree, then it will be 2ncn by n plus 1. So here it is asking what binary search tree, so it is 1. So if n node is given and here it is given a distinct element. Suppose it is not distinct, then there may be more than one tree. But here it is given n distinct elements. So whenever there is distinct elements, so just one way we can create a binary search tree. So first node will be root, rest node will just compare with the parent, and if it's less than or greater than according to we'll just insert. So answer is 1.